how to save a group as preset in CapCut. So in this video, I'll show you step by step. First up, after you open the CapCut, so now let's say I want to now make group of this text. So I'll highlight all of them. After I highlight all of them, I'll right click on one of them and then go to this create compound clip. So now I group all these text. So now if I want to just save all these text as a preset in the CapCut, right click on the preset. After you right click on the text, then go to this save preset. So now you allow it to finish saving. So after it finished saving, if you want to see the preset, you go to this option now. Under this media, go to yours. Under the yours, then go to my preset. So under the my preset, if you go to bottom, you'll be able now to see. So as you can see now, here is the preset that I saved. If you want to rename it, you can right click on it and then go to rename and give it a name to be easier for you to understand. After you finish giving the name, you tap on the save button. So that's it guys on how to save a group as preset in CapCut. If this video helps, like and subscribe. We'll meet in the next one.